Hi everyone, I'm Drina and welcome back to another video. A special welcome to all my new subscribers. If you're new to the channel, thank you so much for clicking on this video and I'm so glad that you're here. This channel is all about motivation, creativity, learning, and growing together. So welcome to the community. In my last video, I talked about consistency by using prompt and theme. Well, that's what we're going to be focusing on today. As an artist, planning ahead is essential for maintaining consistency, especially when it comes to creating content. To ensure that I stay inspired and organized, I am going to be using my sketchbook as a foundation for a 6-month content planner for social media. This is to help me create a series of engaging videos that will not only showcase my skills, but also connect with you, my audience. I took some time to define my goals for the next 6 months. My primary objectives are building a consistent posting schedule, create content that are both motivational and inspirational, and challenge myself to explore new techniques and subjects. To stay organized, I chose 6 themes, one for each month. For the month of January, I'll be posting contents on things that I like to draw and paint. For February, I'll do Valentine's theme. March is all about nature. April is Easter, so I'll be doing an Easter theme. For May, I'll do mermaid, which is a popular theme for artists. And in June, I'll do a summer theme. To keep things fresh and engaging, I'm creating a weekly schedule for posting reels, shorts, Insta stories, and for my YouTube community. Shorts and reels, I'll try to post twice a week. This might include drawing, painting, unboxing stationaries, and behind the scenes sneak peek into my creative process. My Instagram stories and YouTube community tab is to connect with you. I'll ask feedback on completed videos. I'll create polls for upcoming content ideas, and I'll try my best to post daily on my Instagram stories. A major part of this project is to involve you, my viewers. I want to build a community on these platforms to keep us connected, inspired, and to also ensure that my content resonates with you. This schedule is to ensure that there's always something new to look forward to and to help me stay consistent. On this page, I'm going to organize my prompt list by dividing it into 6 sections, one for each theme. Each section will focus on a specific theme, and within each, I'll include 4 prompts, one for each week of the month. This structure will allow me to explore different ideas and maintain my creativity. For example, for the month of March, which is dedicated to spring and nature, I'll make landscape, plants, flowers, and weathery inspired art. Dedicating each month to a specific theme will prevent me from being overwhelmed and having creative block. Breaking down your creative process into manageable steps and setting realistic goals keep things achievable. Having these prompts will ensure I always have a starting point when facing a blank page. While I'm doing some artwork, let's talk more about staying consistent by using a prompt list. A list of prompts is a powerful and easy way to stay consistent with your creativity, especially for artists. The biggest challenge many face when it comes to creativity is the fear of the blank page or the overwhelming sense of having too many options. Having a list can solve this challenge by providing a starting point, eliminating the mental block that often halts the creative process. With a clear prompt in front of you, the pressure to come up with something entirely new disappears, allowing you to dive right into your creative practice. One of the most significant advantages is that they create consistency. By committing to work with a prompt on a regular basis, whether it's daily, weekly, or monthly, you establish a routine that encourages consistent output. This consistency is key to growing as a creator because it allows you to improve your skills and techniques over time, building momentum as you go on. Another reason why prompts are helpful for consistency is that they provide structure which can help you when you're feeling overwhelmed. Without a prompt, the sheer number of possibilities can be paralyzing. Should you draw a landscape or a portrait? Should you try abstract art or realism? With a list, the decision-making process is simplified. For example, a prompt like draw something inspired by the seasons or create a piece based on your favorite colors. Narrowing your focus guides your creativity into a specific direction. This makes the creative process less daunting and easier to approach without second-guessing yourself. Also, it helps to break free of creative ruts. Over time, it's easy to fall into patterns and habits, often producing similar type of work. By using prompts that push you to experiment new themes, technique, or style, you open yourself up to a new creative possibility. Whether it's drawing something you wouldn't normally try, experimenting with different mediums, or exploring an unfamiliar theme, prompts encourage growth and challenge you to step out of your comfort zone. This variety can keep your creative practice fresh and exciting, preventing burnout or stagnation. Additionally, using prompts fosters a sense of accountability, especially if you set a specific goal like completing a prompt every day of the week. Having a goal gives you something to work towards and can motivate you even on days when inspiration is hard to find. When you commit to completing a prompt, you build a sense of accomplishment each time you finish, reinforcing the habit of creating. This sense of accomplishment keeps you motivated and reminds you of the progress you've made. Lastly, prompts provide a sense of community when you share with others. Many artists and creators engage in prompt challenges like Inktober or Sketch a Day, and sharing your work with a group can give you support, feedbacks, and inspiration. Engaging with others who are working on similar prompts can spark new ideas and remind you that creativity doesn't need to be isolated. Setting up the 6-month content planner is an exciting challenge for me that will combine creativity with organization. Whether you're an inspired artist or a seasoned creator, I hope this approach inspires you to organize your creative projects and turn your ideas into reality. I've created a prompt list designed to spark your creativity and keep you inspired. These prompts are a great way to challenge yourself and explore new ideas. You can participate at your own pace and share your creations using the hashtag Drina25. The prompt list will be on my Instagram page. I'll leave a link down below in the description. If you made it to the end of this video, thank you guys so much for joining me today on this creative journey. If you're excited to see how these ideas come to life, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you'll never miss an update. Let's stay inspired, have yourself a happy new year, and see you in the next video.